Well, my dear children, I welcome all of you to the second session of at the high school. So far as I believe that you have already very attentively you have completed the first session. Now you are going to be tested how far you have gone through the first session. That means how successfully we have analyzed the content. Without any sort of delay, let's start. On the screen, we see the photograph of Honorable Mahatma Gandhi, whom our Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose called the father of the nation, whom Rabindranath Tagore called Mahatma, and his writing. Perhaps we have gone through the text very well, and let's start. You have to answer all the questions either in a word or a phrase. Okay? Okay. What is the original name of Mahatma Gandhi? What is the original name of Mahatma Gandhi? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. The original name of Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Yes. Who called him Mahatma? Who called him Mahatma? Yes, Rabindranath Tagore called him Mahatma and Gandhi called Tagore as Vishwakavi. Yes, answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Who called him the father of the nation? Yes, just we have discussed. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose called him the father of the nation. Okay. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose called him the father of the nation. Where did he receive his early education? Where did he? We know that Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar. The question is, where did he receive his early education? Yes, Rajkot English School. Rajkot English School. And after it has become a full-fledged high school, it is known as Rajkot High School, and after independence, that high school has been renamed in honor of Mahatma Gandhi, that Mohandas Gandhi High School. Okay. Question number 5. When did he matriculated? When did he matriculate? He matriculated, yes, in the year 1887. He was born in 1869 and he matriculated in the year 1887. Okay. At which age did he matriculate? At which age did he matriculate? Can you tell me? At which age? Yes, at the age of 18. In the year 1887, at the age of 18, he matriculated. Where is Mohandas Gandhi High School situated? Where is Mohandas Gandhi High School situated? At Rajkot. Yes, at Rajkot in Gujarat. What do we call the life history of a person written by himself? What do we call the life history of a person written by himself? The life history of a person written by himself is himself. Autobiography. Okay. The life history of a person written by himself is autobiography. Mark the spelling. What do we call the life history of a person written by other? Yes, it is biography. The life history of a person written by other is biography. Okay, the life history of a person written by other is biography. The life history of a person written by himself, it is autobiography. What do we call him who writes an account of his own life? He who writes an account of his own life. निज जीवन विषय जीवनी विषय जे किसी लिखे निजर जीवनी से लोकटा को आम कौन कह नॉट ऑटोबायोग्राफी. व्हाट डू वी कॉल हिम से पर्सन टाक आम कौन कहवा? यस, व्हाट डू वी कॉल हिम? यस, ऑटोबायोग्राफर. ऑटोबायोग्राफर. Similarly, what do we call him who writes an account of another person's life? What do we call him who writes an account of another person's life? Yes. Biographer. Good. Biographer. Okay. He who writes an account of another person's life is called a biographer. What is the name of his autobiography? What is the name of his autobiography? His means yes, Gandhiji's autobiography. My experiment with truth. My experiment with truth. The autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi is My Experiment with Truth. At the high school is extracted from dash. Yes, at the high school is extracted from his autobiography My Experiment with Truth. गोटे वर्ड लिखिले मैं गोटे फ्रेज रे My Experiment with Truth. At the high school is extracted from My Experiment with Truth. Which chapter of My Experiment with Truth is at the high school? At the high school ए प्रबंधटा My Experiment with Truth नामक जो ऑटोबायोग्राफी रो को नंबर अध्याय? फर्स्ट चैप्टर और सेकंड चैप्टर और थर्ड चैप्टर और फोर्थ चैप्टर और फिफ्थ? Which chapter? Yes, this is the fifth chapter. This is the fifth chapter of My Experiment with Truth. Okay. According to Gandhiji, according to him, he wasn't regarded as a dash at the high school. Yes, single word. He answer in a word. A fool. According to him, he wasn't regarded as a fool at the high school. And Padiche, he was neither considered a brilliant student nor a fool. Okay. What did Gandhi always receive from his teachers? What did Gandhi always receive from his teachers? Yes, he received the affection of his teachers. Their affection. What a phrase? Their affection. Gandhi always received the affection of his teachers. What did the school used to send to his parents? What did the school used to send to his parents? Sir, yes, certificates of progress and character. The school, sorry, it would use What did the school use to send to his parents? Did you see? Did use, and used to. Did use to. Okay. What did the school use to send to his parents? Yes, certificates of progress and character. certificates of progress and character. Okay. What did he never have from school? School से कौन पाई नथिले? What did he never have from school? Yes, a bad certificate. A bad certificate. Throughout his career, Gandhiji never had a bad certificate from school. Throughout his school career, Gandhiji never had a bad certificate. Okay, after passing out of which standard did he start winning prizes? कौ स्टैंडर्ड पास करिया संगे संगे से प्राइज ही पाई चलिले. After passing out of which standard did he start winning prizes? But yes, after passing out of second standard. After passing out of second standard, he started winning prizes. Yes. How much did he receive as scholarship when he was in the fifth standard? How much? What was the amount of the scholarship he received when he was in the fifth standard? Yes, rupees 4. Rupees 4. Next question. What was the amount of the scholarship that he obtained when he was in the sixth standard? What was the amount of the scholarship that he obtained when he was in the sixth standard? Yes, rupees 10. The amount of the scholarship that he obtained when he was in the sixth standard was rupees 10. Okay? Next question. What did he thank for achieving scholarships? Did he thank his own talents? मो मुंडे भेजा थिला, मोर भल थिला, मु खटी थिली, तेणुकरी गुड़ाए प्राइज गुड़ाए स्कॉलरशिप पाइली. ये बेला थिले? नेभर. ओके. So, for achieving scholarships, he thanked his good luck. बुद्धि मो भाग्य थिला, मु एते बड़ मोर एते एबिलिटी नहीं, बुद्धि मो भाग्य थिला, सेति पई मते मिलिला. For achieving scholarships, he thanked his good luck. गोटे वर्ड रे बा फ्रेज रे his good luck. Next, how did he used to feel when he won prizes and scholarships? Was he proud? What? How did he? Yes, he astonished. आश्चर्य होते मो भाया गोटे पिला किंतु प्राइज पाइला. He astonished whenever he won prizes and scholarships. This word, he astonished. What did he very jealously guard? What did he very jealously guard? Yes. His character. Good. His character. Gandhiji very jealously guarded his character. केबे भी सी ब्लैक स्पॉट लगे बाकू देई नांती हला. He kept his character untarnished. माने पूरा केबे भी दादे को टार्निश बाकू दाग लागिया को देई नांती. ओके. तो आंसर आसिला his character. Gandhiji very jealously guarded his character. What drew tears from his eyes? What drew tears from his eyes? Yes. वही word. The least little blemish. टिके किए निंदा कर देले क्यों कौन भूल बटे टिके ही गले. Drew tears from his eyes. हला. The least little blemish drew tears from his eyes. Okay. What was unbearable for him? What was unbearable for him? कौन सही पार नथिले? When he merited a rebuke. When he merited a rebuke or seemed to his teacher that he would merit a rebuke हला जदि गाली पाइबार कौन से ये देखी गले हला ताले से समय से तक असह्य होउथला हला ताले what was unbearable for him गलत okay when he received any sort of rebuke okay in which standard did he once receive corporal punishment शारीरिक दंड कौ श्रेणी पाइले yes in which standard did he once receive corporal punishment yes in the second standard okay he didn't mind the punishment so much because it was considered his desert ତାଙ୍କର ଦୁର୍ବଳତା ଥିଲା ଭୁଲ କରିଥିଲେ ତେଣୁ ଦଣ୍ଡ ଯାହା ପାଇଲେ he didn't mind the punishment so much because it was considered his desert okay who was popular among the students as a strict disciplinarian a man of method and a good teacher yes Mr. Dorabji Idulji Jimmy, his headmaster. Mr. Dorabji Idulji Jimmy, his headmaster was popular among the students as a strict disciplinarian, a man of method, and a good teacher. Okay. What was Dorabji Idulji Jimmy? Yes, the headmaster. गोटे वर्ड है द हेडमास्टर सेंटेंस लिखिले द हेडमास्टर ऑफ राजकोट हाई स्कूल वाइल गांधीजी वाज ए स्टूडेंट द हेडमास्टर ऑफ राजकोट हाई स्कूल वाइल गांधीजी वाज ए स्टूडेंट yes what was Dorabji Idulji Jimmy like कि भलिया Dorabji Idulji Jimmy was popular among the boys as a strict disciplinarian, a man of method, and a good teacher. In the phrase, a strict disciplinarian, second, a man of method, a good teacher. Okay? What were made compulsory for the boys of upper standard? What were made compulsory for the boys of upper standard? Two things. Yes. Gymnastics and cricket. Gymnastics and cricket were made compulsory for the boys of upper standard. Okay. Gymnastics and cricket were made compulsory for the boys of upper standard. What feeling did he have about gymnastics and cricket? तांका भीतर कोई भाव ना भारी आग्रह धरिकी बैट बॉल धरिकी पलि जाऊे छुट्टी पर केमी गलिकी जी भावुले सो व्हाट फीलिंग डिड ही हैव यस ही डिसलाइक्ड बोथ जिम्नास्टिक्स एंड क्रिकेट ही डिसलाइक्ड एति गोटे वर्ड फ्रेज है ही डिसलाइक्ड पूर्ण वाक्य लिखिले ही डिसलाइक्ड both gymnastics and cricket. What did he dislike? Yes. What did he dislike? Gymnastics and cricket. Okay. Gymnastics and cricket. He disliked both gymnastics and cricket. For which nature couldn't he take part in any sort of physical exercise? For which nature? तांकर गुण कौन थला? For which nature? तांकर कौ नेचर टा थिला? स्मार्ट थले? ना कौन थले? Yes, shyness. Nature हला his shyness. हला for his shyness, he couldn't take part in any sort of physical exercise. For his shyness, he couldn't take part in any sort of physical exercise. What type of boy was he? What type of boy was he when he was at the high school? Yes, he was shy. A boy of shyness. He was shy or a boy of shyness. जोटा भी लिखले चलो. Okay. What was the absolute reason for his dislike? जो खेलू नथिले खेलू दूरे रहउतले. What was the absolute reason? माने ठीक है गंठीटा कौन गंठी कारण कौन? Yes. His keen desire to serve as nurse to his father. His keen desire to serve as nurse to his father. Okay. His keen desire to serve as nurse to his father. Okay. What false notion did he have about gymnastics? What false notion? कौन कहते जिम्नास्टिक्स हैड नथिंग टू डू विथ एजुकेशन ए पाठ कौन जाए अच्छी हाँ पाठ पढ़ मन लगे पाठ पढ़देला ये जिम्नास्टिक्स कौन मिल ही थॉट दैट ही हैड द फॉल्स नोशन दैट जिम्नास्टिक्स हैड नथिंग टू डू विथ एजुकेशन जिम्नास्टिक्स हैड नथिंग टू डू विथ एजुकेशन है जिम्नास्टिक्स हैड नथिंग टू डू विथ एजुकेशन ये तुम बहिर वाक्य आओ गुड हैंड राइटिंग इज नॉट ए नेसेसरी पार्ट ऑफ एजुकेशन ओके चेंज हो ना किसी असुविधा ना कहीं करवा आम है भाषा तुमको लिखुचे व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम व्हिच ट्रेनिंग शुड हैव मच प्लेस इन द करिकुलम एज मेंटल ट्रेनिंग की जेतिकी करिकुलम रे गुरुत्व दिया जाउची अन्य को ट्रेनिंग व्हिच ट्रेनिंग शुड हैव मच प्लेस इन द करिकुलम एज मेंटल ट्रेनिंग yes physical training okay physical training good what came directly in the way of serving his father कौन है परिस्थिति हम जानी जे मिस्टर जिमी हिज हेडमास्टर मेयर जिम्नास्टिक्स एंड क्रिकेट कंपलसरी है यही गुड़ा हवा द्वारा सी शीघ्र फेरी जाकि बापा जो सेवा कर पकई था हिज कीन डिजायर वाज टू सर्व हिज फादर एज नर्स जस्ट आफ्टर as soon as the school closed this came directly एटा ही आसिला अंतराय सृष्टि कला बाधा सृष्टि कला came in the way मन रख बाधा सृष्टि कला है on my way in the way एगुड़ा सब व्यवहार जानी था I am on my way to Cuttack माने I am going to Cuttack he came in my way अंसे मते बाधा देला he came in my way I won't leave him ओके ये सब कथा तेणु कौन आसला यस कंपलसरी फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज केम इन द वे ऑफ सर्विंग हिज फादर ओके व्हाट डिड ही वांट टू बी एग्जेम्प्टेड फ्रॉम यस ही वांटेड टू बी एग्जेम्प्टेड फ्रॉम फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज ओके ही वांटेड टू बी एग्जेम्प्टेड फ्रॉम फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज What did he request Mr. Jimmy for? Jimmy की कौन request कले? Yes, to exempt him from physical exercise, from gymnastics. Okay, to exempt him from physical exercise. Gandhi requested his headmaster to exempt him from physical exercise. Okay. When was the school running on Saturdays? When was the school running on Saturdays? Yes, in the morning hour. The school was running on Saturdays. The school was running in the morning hour. Okay? When had he to go to school one Saturday to take part in gymnastics? से इंसिडेंट When had he to go to school? केतेल ताको जिबाकू पड़ुथला? We know that his school was in the morning hour. Just माने to take part in gymnastics, he had to go to school. Yes, at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. हला गोटे फ्रेज रहा at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. At 4 o'clock in the afternoon. What deceived him? कौन पे ठकम रे पड़ले विषय में बुझी सारछे. Yes, the cloud deceived him. The clouds deceived him. Okay, कारण जानी पारलेनी टाइम केते हला. He had no watch and the clouds deceived him. How much was he fined for not taking part in gymnastics one Saturday? केते टंका तांको ऊपर फाइन कर दिया हला. Of course, he was exempted from the fine letter, but how much was he fined? Yes, 1 or 2 annas. 1 or 2 annas. This time, when anna was in use, 1 anna was equal to 4 pice. That means 16 annas equal to 64. 16 into 4, 64 pice. So at that time, in those days, 1 rupee was equal to 64 pice. But today we have 1 rupee for 100 pice. Yes, answer is 1 or 2 annas. He felt pain deeply. Or he was convicted of this. Says he फंस जाइछंती. माने he couldn't take part in the gymnastics. He couldn't माने deposit his assignments in time. He couldn't submit his project papers. What? He secured waivers? Nothing. He felt pain deeply, for he was convicted of lying. आज मिछ कहूथिबार अपराध रे सियाती अपराधी पलटि जाइछंती. मिछ न कहि मध्य सत्यर पुजारी जे केते मात्रा जंत्रणा से पाए. He felt pain deeply. He felt pain deeply, for he was convicted of lying. According to him, yes, a man of truth must be a man of care. Yes, one word la care. कौन कहिछंती हला. So तांकरी भाषा रे a man of truth must also be a man of care. Okay, a man of truth must also be a man of care. Who wrote to Mr. Jimmy to exempt Gandhi from gymnastics? किए लिखिले हेडमास्टर पाखो को. हेडमास्टर मिस्टर जिमी को पाखो को किए लिखिले. Who wrote to Mr. Jimmy to exempt Gandhi from gymnastics? देख कृष्ण ही कृष्ण वसुदेव वसुदेव. गांधी आज यूनिवर्साली एक्सेप्टेड हो गला. कंप्यूटर गांधी ना तले गार मारुनी किंतु जिमी नाटा को जानी पारुनी हला. तांकर गुरु सी गार बाजी गला हला. तो वासुदेव वासुदेव वसुदेव वसुदेव बोले वसुदेव वासुदेव प्रख्यात हला. से कथा देखला बेलू कंप्यूटर कौन गार मारुची मन ये कथा कहला है. निजर कृतकर्म फल जड़े महान हो पारे है. सी ही तार पूर्वपुरुष मान नाम को उद्धार करे. ये होती गांधी. Who wrote to Mr. Jimmy to exempt Gandhi from gymnastics? Yes, his father. Gandhiji's father. Okay. What was his father's name? What was the name of Gandhi's father? मोहनदास में करमचंद गांधी. ओके, करमचंद गांधी. ये है मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी. ओके, Gandhiji had the false notion that a dash is not a necessary part of education. Yes, good handwriting. Gandhiji had the false notion that good handwriting is not a necessary part of education. Gandhiji had the false notion that good handwriting is not a necessary part of education. Good handwriting. Thank you. Okay. His false notion that good handwriting is not a necessary part of education continued. को पर्यंत चलला till he went to England for studying law. हला बारिस्टर पढ़िया पे जेतले इंग्लैंड गले सेठी तांके जेतले देखिले तांकर धारणाटा बदलिला जे जो फॉल्स नोशन थिला भ्रांत धारणा हला दैट गुड हैंडराइटिंग इज नॉट ए नेसेसरी पार्ट ऑफ एजुकेशन ए धारणाटा तांके चलला कोबड इंग्लैंड पर्यंत पस्तेले कोठी बेसी पस्तेले हला when he saw the beautiful handwritings of dash and young men in South Africa. When he saw the beautiful handwritings of lawyers and young men in South Africa. Yes. How, according to him, should bad handwriting be regarded? बैड हैंड राइटिंग कौन प्रशंसा करा जाए दरकार नहीं तुमको सर्टिफिकेट दिया जाए दरकार ना जो मान हस्ताक्षर खराब है गुरु मां को कहीदबा से तुम गोटे गोटे सर्टिफिकेट देवे अरे चेष्टा तो करवा चेष्टा करवा गांधी जी चेष्टा करते चेष्टा करी आज गांधी आम पूजा करुचे से कौन कहते Let every young man and woman be warned by my example. हला हे मोर उत्तर पीढ़ी युवक युवती माने पिला माने मोर एग्जांपल रो टिके कसस हो जाओ पिला दिनटा को केबे हरई दियोनी अनेड़ी गुड़ कहानी को होई गला पर तुम आरंभ करिवो हस्ताक्षर सजाड़ी हां जा हुए जहाँ गांधी जी तो सी तो महान लोक जहाँ तुम गुरुजी अवस्था हला सो बैड हैंडराइटिंग शुड बी रिगार्डेड as a sign of imperfect education. Okay, as a sign of imperfect education. According to Gandhi, bad handwriting should be regarded as a sign of imperfect education. Okay, what according to him should children be taught before learning to write? कौन कहते children should be taught the art of drawing. चित्रांकन क्या सीखिबे Children should be taught the art of drawing. What a phrase. Art of drawing before learning how to write. Okay. According to him, children should learn letters by dash. केमती लेटर सीखिबे by observation. देखिए कि रे जेमती आंबा को देखिए आंबा बोलुचंती सेमती children should learn letters by observation. कितने स्पीड हवा in which subject according to him had everything to be learnt by heart. ये सब्जेक्ट कौन जो तो सब कथा गुड़ाक घोषिया पड़ो है सब कथा everything had to be learned by heart. In which subject? Yes, in Sanskrit. गोटे वर्ड रे संस्कृत. Okay, which proved to be a harder task to him. Ko pathada which subject proved to be a harder task to him? Definitely Sanskrit. Good answer, Sanskrit. Okay, in which subject was there nothing to memorize for him? तांका पाई किसी भी होशियार नथला. In which subject? Yes, in geometry. In geometry there was Gandhi ji was रे. In geometry there was nothing to memorize, but in Sanskrit everything had to be learned by heart. Okay. From which standard was Sanskrit commenced? So far as I could remember from class 4, standard 4. Okay. Okay. Sanskrit was commenced. Passive voice. Sanskrit was commenced. Sanskrit was started from standard 4 by class 4. Okay. Which teacher was a taskmaster? Definitely he is Sanskrit teacher. Which teacher? He is Sanskrit teacher. Mr. Krishna Shankar Pandya. Mr. Krishna Shankar Pandya. He is Sanskrit teacher. ये तीन टा वार्ड लिखियो. When he entered the dash standard, he became disheartened. हतोत्साहित होई पड़िले को स्टैंडर्ड रे. When he entered the dash standard, he became disheartened. Yes, sixth standard. When he entered the sixth standard, he became disheartened. Which teacher was lenient? His Persian teacher. Okay. Gandhiji's Persian teacher. His Persian teacher was lenient. भारी कोलिया पिलांको कथा सुनंती भलो मंद बुझंती हला माड़ा फाड़ा दियंती नी. हाँ सब गुड़ा ठीक. तमे सब तमे कौन न बुझ जे. हाँ हाँ. Which teacher was very good and considerate to the students? Definitely his Persian teacher. The boys used to talk among themselves that the Persian teacher was very good and considerate to the students. He was very lenient. Which aspect of a Persian माने Persian language tempted him? Persian language रो को aspect पति होलिया लगे ना कौन है? Which aspect of a Persian? Yes, the easiness of Persian tempted him. The easiness of a Persian. How did the Sanskrit teacher feel when he sat in the Persian class? Ragile? Gondadale? He was grieved. Passive voice से दुखित हो गले हला. ओडिया में कहते एक्टिव रे से दुखित हेले एटा इंग्लिश रे पासिव हो जाई हला. ही वाज ग्रीव्ड. भारी दुख कले डाकिले तापर बुझाई जंती. ओके. What nature of Sanskrit teacher put him to shame? What nature of his Sanskrit teacher put him to shame? तांको लज्जा से चली गले संस्कृत टीचर और कौन? Yes, his kindness. नेचर असला his kindness, जो दया, जो श्रद्धा, हला kindness लिखियो. What was the name of his Sanskrit teacher? It is ना. Yes, Krishna Shankar Pandya. Okay, Krishna Shankar Pandya. The name of his Sanskrit teacher was Krishna Shankar Pandya. He regretted that. Regret बोले पछताइले. Regret रो regretted करछि. कौन भूल अछि जानि पारने कंप्यूटर किंतु गार मारछि. He regretted that he was not able to acquire a more thorough knowledge of dash language. दो language मारी भी धरके दो language गुटे कौन वो language एटा. Yes, of Sanskrit language. से एथि में पछताइले जीवन रे जे Sanskrit language रे से गोटे more thorough knowledge हला पाई पारिले नाही. He regretted that he wasn't able to acquire a more thorough knowledge of Sanskrit language. Okay, Vile. This much for today. We will soon meet in the next session. Many thanks for you. Well, take care. Be healthy. Be happy. Okay. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः. सर्वे सन्तु निरामया. यही हमार प्रार्थना.